Hi guys, today we will talk about Vivo iQOO 9 Pro. It's launched on December 2023. The Vivo iQOO 9 Pro dimensions: height 6.44 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 8.3 mm, the weight is 196 grams. And the build of Vivo iQOO 9 Pro: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo iQOO 9 Pro, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 89.7% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the PPI intensity is 453 and the refresh rate is 144 Hz. The Vivo iQOO 9 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the protection is not available at this time. Let's talk about the platform. The Vivo iQOO 9 Pro, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex X3. Let's talk about the GPU. Vivo iQOO 9 Pro is Adreno 740. The memory, it comes with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM, 128 to 56 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera of Vivo iQOO 9 Pro, it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The front camera is 16 megapixel and it's record 4K 30 fps video. Let's talk about the battery. It comes with 5160 mAh battery with 120 watt fast wire charging, no wireless charging, and 10 watt reverse wire charging. The commons and the features: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speakers, infrared port, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0. The price of Vivo iQOO 9 Pro is $350.